Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our videos like this. So yeah, wala tayong videos for the past few days kasi I was actually busy with yung football club na ginawa natin with under the Gab's crypto community. And as you can see, ito yung Gab's crypto community na may football club na, and that is Gabbal FC. And for the past few weeks, we have been actually been preparing for a football tournament. And yun nga, for that past weekend, we have been busy with creating this jersey. As ito yung bagong jersey na ginawa natin using yung mga sponsors na meron tayo. And yeah, Gabal FC is a Makati-based football club. And we're actually going to join tournaments here in Metro Manila. So, if you want to claim or if gusto nyo magkaroon ng mga jersey tulad nito, make sure to follow Gabal FC page na you can find in the description down below. And who knows, you might actually get the chance to win this Gabal FC jersey. As you can see, nakalagay din yung BYBIT, crypto.com, and many more. And yeah, make sure to follow this. And of course, we are going to give you giveaways in our live game. So make sure to follow Gabbal FC on Instagram if you want to claim this free jersey or if gusto nyo makakuha ng jersey sometime in the future. Or if gusto nyo makakuha ng kahit anong merch from Bybit, make sure to follow Gabbal FC on IG. And you can find it guys in the description down below. But yeah, let's now dive into this video. And diba, for the past few days, hindi tayo nakapagbigay na analysis kasi I was busy with Gabbal FC, yung ating football team. And right now, what is happening right now with the Bitcoin price action? So I'm actually going to show you two things right now, and that is the weekly time frame as well as the very short term. So let's start first with the weekly time frame kasi diba, as you can see in the weekly time frame, ito yung nakikita natin dito, and if you're going to open the 50-week moving averages as well as the 200-week moving averages, ito yung lalabas na itsura kay Bitcoin price action. As you can see, in the past historical Bitcoin price action, the 50-week moving averages has actually been acting a very good support area for a long-term bull market. I know, in a long-term bull market that has acted as a very strong support. Same goes din dito, 50 MA is a very good strong support. And I know, sa mga previous movement, that has been a very good support. In fact, nung ating previous Bitcoin price action, we actually got a strong support dito during the previous bull market. And after that, we saw a bounce whenever we were going to touch that area. So, 50-week moving average is a very good support area dito. But ito yung maganda din dito. In times of a bull market, that's a very good support. But if let's say we are going to break down below, or if let's say bumagsak tayo below, 50-week moving average is going to act as a resistance naman. So, as you can see, dito naman for the Bitcoin price action, in the past previous Bitcoin price action, when we entered below this area, that has now acted as a resistance na nga. And let's try to see sa mga previous movement. Siguro dito wala pa. As you can see, dito sa movement na yan, that acted as a resistance. And sa ating recent Bitcoin price action, that has also acted as a very good resistance area then. But what will happen if, let's say, na-break natin yung area na yan? So, as you can see, nung na-break natin yung area na yan, we saw a movement to the upside. Same goes din dito, when we broke that area, we saw a movement to the upside. And same goes din dyan, when we broke that area, we saw a movement to the upside nga din. So right now, the 50-week moving average is actually acting as a very good resistance area. Right now, kasi look at this, Bitcoin is right now retesting that similar area. So right now, it's a make or break move. But yeah, right now, I'm actually more of a bullish bias nga dito kasi diba, we saw that rally na nga and the logarithmic growth curve na pinakita ko sa inyo sa mga previous video. It's actually forming to be a very good sign na nga na may potential tayo ng pwede tayo makita right now with the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, it's just a matter of time lang talaga kung kailan tayo makita ng breakout dito. So yeah, we are just going to monitor this within the next few days and next few weeks. And right now, that is a very good long-term indicator right now with the Bitcoin price action. So that is what we are going to monitor dito for the weekly time frame. And yeah, make sure to watch out for this 50-week moving average in your own chart. And it's just actually by opening the weekly time frame, then just add the 50 moving average, and then you can actually monitor this. So right now, that is a very good sign right now with the Bitcoin price action. If break natin yan, then yeah, let's see what will happen. But yeah, for in this case, the 50 moving average and the historical Bitcoin price action, if break natin yan, then that is more going to lead into a bullish scenario. So yeah, right now, let's just monitor that within the next few days. Now, let's dive into the very short term kasi tingnan nyo to guys. For the very short term naman, ito yung maganda din tingnan ngayon kasi as you can see, the 50 moving average in the daily time frame or yeah, in the daily time frame for at least is actually starting to form a rising wedge, or it's a potential rising wedge dito right now forming within the Bitcoin price action. Then yung resistance na tinitingnan pa din natin is still this 25,000 US dollars kasi as you can see, 25,000 has acted as a very strong resistance right now for the Bitcoin price action. And after the 25k, yung ating next target talaga for 25k is 28,000, which is the previous amount, which is the previous value na binanggit natin sa ating previous video. And that is because yung ating Fibonacci retracement, if you're going to plot a Fibonacci retracement dito from the previous high nga dito kay Bitcoin price action, let's try to show that quickly. So yun, yung previous all-time high after the lowest low, that would actually give us 28,000 US dollars as our next resistance after 28,000 US dollars. So yeah, right now, wala pa tayong nakikitang break. So it's just actually nag-aabang lang talaga tayo ng movement dito. It's just that it's more of a consolidation right now. But yun na nga, I think we are going to watch out for this rising wedge dito with the Bitcoin price action. So siguro let's try to plot this. Yeah, let's try to plot that resistance. That's the resistance we are going to monitor. And then as for support, let's try to plot a line lang dito. Then yeah, let's try to watch out for this movement for the next few days. But yeah, this is a potential rising wedge forming for the Bitcoin price action. So let's just monitor this within the next few days for the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, yun yung nakikita natin dito for the daily time frame. Let's try to zoom in within the 4-hour time frame. So for the 4-hour time frame naman, let's try to look at this. And yeah, let's try to delete this yung mga ibang drawing para hindi siya magulo. So for the 4-hour time frame, looking at the RSI, I don't think that there are signs of a bullish trend reversal yet, but yun na nga, right now it's not very clear right now within the 4-hour time frame. So I think the best thing to monitor right now is yung mga bigger time frames. Looking at this in the hourly time frame, siguro sa hourly time frame, doon lang siya nagkaroon ng divergence going back dito up until the 23,600. So that was the only potential move nga lang dyan. And yeah, walang ibang move right now tayo pwede makita. So I think let's just wait this one out lang muna. And yeah, for the past few days, hindi din ako napag-open ng trade kasi nga busy din ako sa ating football team. But yeah, yung mga major indicators naman na pinakita natin for the bigger time frames such as the weekly time frame, they are all actually starting to follow pa din naman the logarithmic growth curve, the monthly time frame, stochastic RSI, lahat sila. They are all still playing out pa naman. It's just that it's going to take a matter of time talaga kasi they are all in the bigger time frame. But for the very short term, we're just going to wait this one out. And it's actually just pretty much moving sideways for the past few days na nga lang dito kay Bitcoin price action, and that is what we are currently seeing lang dito for the Bitcoin price action. And yeah, siguro yun muna update natin for the time being. Make sure guys, if let's say you want to start a trade dito with Bitcoin, or if you want to invest with Bitcoin, make sure to use BYBIT, and you can actually find that guys in the description down below. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.